A written guarantee, issued to the purchaser of an article by its manufacturer, promising to repair or replace it if necessary within a specified period of time. A document certifying the terms of a warranty. The new laptop comes with a 2-year warranty. Please read the warranty terms carefully before making a purchase. If the appliance breaks down, the warranty covers the repair costs. The warranty does not cover damage caused by misuse. The product comes with a money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. The company gives its customers an assurance of quality. Make sure to understand the store's return policy before buying. The customer service team will help you with any warranty claims. The warranty coverage includes parts and labor for 1 year. The warranty guarantees free repair for any manufacturing defects.